Okay, so we're back talking about rural water supply under the incident response policy. And right now we want to talk about what happens when you anticipate using a static water source on the scene of a call. So as we look at our scene here, we've already had the first engine and first tanker arrive. They've laid out as they are supposed to. They've made the hookups per the policy. The tanker has broken the line and is now relaying that water to the attack pumper. It's pretty important to always lay out this line. We want to have redundant water supplies. So we know that there's a static water source on the scene. We have seen that in our map book. We're planning on using that, but we can't always guarantee that that static water source is available. Maybe there's drought, maybe it's been drained for cleaning, maybe there else is something wrong, so we always want to lay out. So who taps into that static water source? You could elect to use the second due engine. In that case, we're going to go ahead and have him draft out of the static water source. He is then going to go ahead and use his high flow discharge, and he's going to run that into the intake of the tanker just like he normally would. Depending on the space, you may elect to have another engine do that. So the fifth due engine, as with the urban box alarm, is extra, so maybe you assign him to do that. So in that case, because the second due engine is already being used to supply the tanker, we would want to have the fifth due engine go ahead and use his high flow discharge and pump that line and attach it to the intake of the first due engine. So this again is the scenario for there is water on the scene, and we're going to go ahead and use that water. Again, this is a redundant operation because we're still going to lay out.